Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on mixed numbers. In the previous video, we used diagrams to explain how improper fractions can be changed to mixed numbers. This video will show how mixed numbers can be changed back to improper fractions. Consider the above two diagrams. We have 1 3/4 circles. In order to change the mixed number to an improper fraction, we will divide the two diagrams into quarters. So here's our mixed number here, 1 3/4, and we have to change that to an improper fraction. It is easy to see that the above two diagrams represent 7/4. To write this in the form of a fraction, we have 1 3/4 equals 7/4. And here are the 7/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 of them. And because they're quarters, we put it over 4. Changing a mixed number to an improper fraction. Now this is what you do without using a diagram. Number 1, multiply the denominator by the whole number. Number 2, add the numerator to that answer. And number 3, divide by the denominator. So let's see some examples on the next few slides. Example 1, 3 1/2. We're changing the mixed number to an improper fraction. So the rule says you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then you add the numerator, then you divide by the denominator. 2 times 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, plus 1 is 7, divided by 2. Example 2, 3 times 4, plus 2, divided by 3. 3 4s are 12, plus 2 is 14, divided by 3. Example 3, 2 3/4. 4 times 2, plus 3, divided by 4. 4 2s are 8, plus 3 is 11, divided by 4. Example 4, 5 4/7. 7 times 5, plus 4, divided by 7. 7 5s are 35, plus 4 is 39, divided by 7. Example 5, 5 2/7. 7 times 5, plus 2, divided by 7. 7 5s are 35, plus 2 is 37, divided by 7. Example 6, 6 5/9. 9 6s are 54, plus 5, divided by 9. 9 6s are 54, plus 5 is 59, divided by 9. Example 7, 8 1/6. 6 times 8, plus 1, divided by 6. 6 8s are 48, plus 1 is 49, divided by 6. And finally, 9 7/8. 8 9s are 72, plus 7, divided by 8. 8 9s are 72, plus 7 is 79, divided by 8. So if you follow those rules, and you know your tables well, this process is very, very straightforward.